Hi, this is Binarai, also known as Paul Mills, back for another Raptoreum short. So, why Raptoreum? Well, if you think 3% of all developers in the world, or less, know how to code in languages such as Solidity, which is Ethereum, and Rust, which is Solana, and other languages native to other blockchains. This is obviously a massive issue because it's a very low number of developers being able to know how to code on those chains. So we decided at Raptoreum that we would open the doors to all developers in the world by incorporating the distributed application umbrella of Apache Spark, which is fully open source and allows our users to be able to code smart contracts in common programming languages such as Java and Python and many more. It also allows access to the sub-libraries of Apache Spark, allowing our smart contracts to have more scope, to do a lot more, and also allows the majority of developers to code on chain. Not only that, by having our smart contracts in those languages, we make it much more easier for traditional businesses coded in those languages to transition over to blockchain onto the Raptoreum network.